Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix incoming calls while ringing on Samsung Galaxy in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings and then make sure that your do not disturb is not toggled on your device. The other thing that you must do is make sure that your device is set to sound and that the volume rockers have actually set your ring volume to a volume that you can hear. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, scroll down. Once you've scrolled down, what you'll have to do is tap on apps and then head over to the search bar, search for the phone app. Inside of your search bar, tap on the phone app. Once you're inside the phone app, head over to storage, clear the cache of your phone app. What you must also do is make sure that the number that is calling you is not blocked. For that, head over to your phone settings and then tap on settings. Once you're inside settings, what you'll have to do is tap on block numbers and make sure that the numbers are not blocked, and also make sure that block call for unknown numbers is also toggled off. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.